Hey, hope everybody had an awesome week. I don't know if I'm live here yet. I don't know. My ticker's not going. Okay, it caught up. So weird. Hope everybody had an awesome week. I wanted to pop on here and do the rate update. I had a great time on filming a podcast for someone who I think is going to become a very good friend of mine. We had a great time. His name is Jamel Gibbs. I'm going to link his channel on the comments. If you can, go subscribe to his channel. He is awesome. He has so many different like hacks, like I kind of do with the loan on the finance side. He has a lot of these different hacks and different things that he does on the real estate investment side, and just an awesome guy, man. Really had a good time. But be watching for that. I think he said he's going to probably release it next week, but I'll give you guys a heads up on that. And I'm going to bring him on to Planet Cheapskate to kind of let us know some of the kind of insider deals of real estate investing. Because man, I'd love to have him on and maybe for about an hour and just pick his brain, because man, he's definitely with it. And I watch his channel and I learn so much. I don't know if I've shared this on some of my other updates, but I'm looking at doing some duplexes, building some duplexes, and want to get those going. So he's definitely with it, and I had a lot of fun. But wanted to just pop on here and not take too much of your time, but give you the rates going into the weekend. I know a lot of my realtor partners and a lot of you out there who are looking are definitely wanting to keep an eye on these rates right now with the environment we're in, the rate environment. So, I want to just take a very brief moment to say good luck to all my realtor partners out there. If you have any listings that you want me to help you market, let me know. You know how to get a hold of me. If you have any showings, any open houses, and you want to get those clients pre-approved without going to a voicemail, pick up the phone, give me a call, 316-744-5819. We will get those clients pre-approved for you. Probably take about 10 minutes, and we'll have them good to go, and you can get that contract written. So I'm available. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. And if any of you are celebrating Valentine's Day, have a lot of fun, and be sure to let me know how that goes with your sweetheart. I think we're gonna be going out to eat. Maybe nobody tell Denise, but I got some maybe surprises coming her way. So looking forward to that. And let's see what else is there. If you are a realtor out there, I have an opening for a realtor partner. I try to keep about 3, because I actually go out and I market and I generate leads for my realtor partners. So I'm currently working with 2, and I have an opening for the 3rd. So if that's something you may be interested in, let me know. I had a couple realtors reach out to me to help me manage that Facebook group that I got for mostly, it's usually first-time home buyers. I've gotten mostly FHA from it than anything, but I mean, it's good for some deals. It just needs to be really mined. I mean, it needs someone who reaches out to these members whenever they come in, and then it also put some posts out there. But reach out if you're interested in that. DM me, and we can get an interview set up. Need someone who's kind of tech savvy, because it's kind of confusing even for me. If you're a loan officer, my analytics do indicate that I have loan officers. Yeah, imagine that, right? But I do have loan officers who watch this update. If that's you out there, and you want to maybe get into a position where you have a little bit more freedom, or maybe you're an independent broker, you're running your own business thing, and you don't want to worry about all the back end, all the admin stuff. You can pretty much come work with me and do the thing I'm doing. You're not working with me. You're just doing, working the same kind of company I'm working for. I pretty much operate like I run my own business. I set my own hours. I do my own thing. But if you're interested in that, and getting a very, very, very generous commission break, like the break, the company keeps a little bit, you keep the other. Very generous, probably more generous than any other lender in town. I will have to say that. But if that's you and you're interested in that, get a hold of me. We'll schedule a coffee. We'll schedule a dinner. We can get that set up. If you're a realtor out there, you want to partner up, I'll take you out to coffee. I'll let you know the unique things that I can do. But without further ado, let me get right to these rates. Conventional, we're at 4%. APR is at 4.238. FHA is at 3.375 with an APR at 4.363. VA is at 3.375 with a APR of 3.558. And USDA is at 3.375 with an APR at 3.811. So those are the rates. Again, conventional 4, FHA 3.375, VA 3.375, USDA 3.375 for 30-year fixed. That is the rates and the APRs. So they are rising, but they've kind of held somewhat steady, didn't they? I can't really remember last week's rates. I had a lot going on, guys. So hope you guys had a successful week, and I hope you all have a happy and safe weekend. Hey, Arkady. Oh, that sounds like Russian. Are you Russian? That's awesome. I love Russia. I did a school report when I was like 8 years old on Russia. I was just mesmerized by Russia. I loved it. I just loved it because it was so huge and massive. I didn't really understand that it's like really cold and snowy and everything, but I loved Russia. I even took Russian history and a little bit of Russian language. So if you're Russian, I don't know Russian, Ukrainian, but Здравствуйте, меня зовут Ryan, как вас зовут? So I know a little bit, but not much. But it's good to see you. Good to hear from you. Hopefully everything's good out there. And I'm going to pop off here, guys. So take care.